back to my channel. My name is Destiny, and today I am just going to be doing a Curlformer set. So basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking the Curlformers right here. I'm going to be taking the pink ones and the orange ones. These are the results I got using the Curlformer. If you are interested in this video, please keep on watching. So the product I am using to seal in the moisture, my leave-in pattern leave-in conditioner. So separate my hair here. I'm gonna keep my part right here because that's usually where I like my hair parted. So my curls are starting to kind of come back. Take a little bit of this. So I shampooed with the Pattern Hydrating Shampoo. It's pretty good. It's pretty hydrating. It definitely does get your hair clean. That Pattern shampoo, it'll get your hair clean, and then it has some hydration to it. And then I decondition with the Design Essentials Almond Avocado deconditioner. It feels really good on the hair. It's pretty moisturized. Put it on, you really have to work it in and let it sit, but after you rinse it out, your hair is pretty moisturized. But I'm just gonna use a little bit of curling cream right here, which is the Design Essentials Avocado curling cream. Gel, I'm gonna be using the Wetline Extreme Gel. I'm trying to use this up, but love this stuff, great hold. I'm watching a few tutorials on YouTube, but yeah, so this is the thing that it comes like this. About 30, I think I have 30 of these. So I have the orange ones and then I have the pink ones. So if you notice, like the orange ones, are going this side, where the pink ones are going this side. I'm gonna make sure I keep these on this side and these on this side. I mean like 3 of these, I guess, just in case they break. Attach it right here. And then you have your grip. Make sure that you don't grab too much hair because it will not go into the Curlformer. I learned the hard way because I did this one time before and I was pulling and pulling. So I think that'll be enough hair. I'm gonna detangle it. I'm going to put it on the end here. It doesn't matter which way you put it, but basically just stick it in here, right here. Push it up, push it in. It goes like that. So it sticks out right here. You see where this is right here? It's like a grip. So you're gonna twist your hair, kind of like twist it around a couple times. And I'm gonna make sure my hair is still detangled. Grip it right there. You can see that. Just grip it right there. Here, this is what I do. Like push that up, kind of push it up. And then you're gonna kind of take the end of it and just pull this. Okay, so, and you see where my hair is, you see it's going down right here. Grab it to the root. Thing up and then pull. There we go. And the further I go up, the longer my hair gets. So you see how my hair kind of stops right there. Now these are the medium size, I think, or the smaller size. Last time I used these, some of my hair was sticking out. And I was like, my hair's not that long. And these are the 22-inch ones, so I was surprised. But I know they have some purple ones that are for extra long hair. And you don't have to use as many rollers. And I think you're supposed to get bigger curls. I have 6 more left to do on this side. Oh, good. Here we go. Here is this side. I have all 15 on this side. This side is gonna be so much easier because you can see I have a lot less hair on this side. Still wanna get this over with, so I won't do super small sections. And I try to pull these in and then go in and twist my hair. I find myself keep having to go back and do it because I was like, dang, I should have just did it when I started twisting my hair. We are finally done. So here it is, the pink ones. Just give you a full 360. All right, so I'm gonna somehow, some way try to sleep with it. All right, I am going to bed and I will see you in the morning. Back, today's the next day and these were so uncomfortable sleeping. I know I always say that. I feel like I say that a lot. Like these are uncomfortable to sleep in, but these were very uncomfortable to sleep in. So do to your discretion because I always say stuff is uncomfortable to sleep in and then I still end up sleeping in them. They're not, I'm ready to take these out. Hopefully they're dry. Always put some scrunchies in there. So that's what's probably gonna fall out too. Yeah, here they are. So, and you just kind of pull them out. No specific way, just pull them out the way you can. Some of them are kind of curling weird like that one, so I'm trying to just, there you go, get it to kind of go the right way. They came out so good. Let me show you. Right there. Start from the bottom. That one came out okay. Here's this side and here's this side. So this one's a lot more wet at the roots. Maybe that's why it's coming out like that. Let me just show you a full turnaround of just my hair just freshly just out of the Flexi Rock. I just got this off Amazon, but basically it's like a little blow dryer head thing right here. So you put it over your head and put the blow dryer attachment right here. So use this and try to get my hair to dry. So. Okay, so it looks like that my hair looks like it is dry. So we'll go ahead and take them out. The jojoba oil, the powdered jojoba oil. Okay. It's so different from what the flexi rods or perm rods or anything like that would come out. So let me just fix the roots here, because as you can see, roots still look crazy. Alright, so I just cleaned it up a little bit just to make sure it's kind of what I want it to be. It looks okay. I'm trying to get used to how it looks on me. It's a cute heatless style. It's cute. It's a little flat, but here are the curls right here. My hair, but at least do a full spin around. Cute for heatless, not bad. All right, but that is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, especially if you clicked on this video. I do appreciate it. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and share if you can. I hope you all have a blessed day. Thank you so much for watching again, and I will see you next time. Bye.